Why is it better to work from home? First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Mahanalei Bradley. I am a mom of 3, married to my eternal companion 13 years ago. I am an ex-restaurant store manager. I ran 2 different brands, but I decided that I needed something more. I needed something that will allow me to be with my kids. I missed a lot of my kids growing up. They're still small, but I did miss like first days of school. I missed going to pick them up when they were sick. I missed doing homework with them. I missed going to book fairs with them, all because I was working 60 to 70 hour weeks at the restaurant. The 60 hours was mandatory, so I didn't have a choice. If I wanted to get paid for what I was doing, I had to be there 60 hours. I felt the need to walk away because I didn't have the time. They weren't paying me enough to be away from my kids for so long. One of the restaurants was 24 hours, so my brain was always on the restaurant. I never got any time alone. But that's what made restaurant life so hard, and I needed to change if I wanted to have more family time and a relationship with my children. So, why is it better to work from home? A few things. First one, time freedom. Time freedom. You can work whenever you want. You're home, you know? No commute. I know people that drive hours, 2 hours a day to get to work and back. 2 hours that you could be with your family. No commute. If you work from home, you have that chance to have a family and life balance. While your kids are at school, you have that time to do what you want. Do your side hustle. Do your online business. And when your kids are home, you are all theirs. They are all yours. I joined the Legacy Builders Program and the Digital Growth Community a few weeks ago. And let me tell you this. If you want to work from home and start your own business, this is the way to go. The Legacy Builders Program is a digital marketing program that teaches you how to digital market. The digital world is so small and it is growing. It is growing so fast. And if you want to be a part of that, you better jump on board now. Because with the Legacy Builders Program, you only work 2 hours a day. The profit you make, you keep. You keep 100% of that profit. You don't have to share that with anybody. You keep 100% of the product, or of the profit. The system is automated. They will teach you how to automate your system so it works while you sleep. So it works while you're playing with your kids. Everything is automated. And they teach you step by step how to do that. The launch kit that is offered is absolutely amazing because it is set up to get you going fast. And that was one of the reasons why I jumped in, because it was automated, because things were step by step, because they told me we can get you set up fast and going, and you can make your investment back within a couple weeks. So that has been absolutely amazing. Now the Digital Growth Community is your support system. You have questions, you go there. You need training, you go there. You need some mentorship, you go there. There's live mentorships every week. And some of the successful people that have made hundreds of thousands of dollars are there with tips and with guidance. And I've watched so many of these people, and the inspiration is powerful. Their motivation is powerful. You ever have that feeling of self-doubt? You jump on, they will help you feel better. Promise. You don't need any special skills. No special skills to start. Because, again, like I said, they do everything step by step by step. Like the second you turn your computer on, they will help you. And they tell you where to go, what to do, and how to do it. If I didn't have that, I wouldn't be here today. The Legacy Builder program and the digital growth community has changed my world in home business life. They've changed my world with my family. I am able to go and rescue my daughter from school because her shoes broke. So I was able to go and get her a pair of shoes and switch them out, and I didn't have to miss work. That is the power of working from home. That is the power of the Legacy Builder program. That is the power of the digital growth community. That is the power of a positive mindset.